that's the misconception. Is
I
that,
just earned 4.
Yeah, if you've got good tune, good parts. Like, we use all genuine parts.
Last night when I was looking at you guys at the party, I'm like, this is literally Calvin and Jared.
It's a pretty good analogy. I like it.
Genuine.
Oh, just another beautiful day here in the NZ.
I need some aloe, Teach. I gotta cook my forehead over
Yeah,
here.
dude, you and Jared. Jared looks like a fucking walking thermometer back there.
He's a leather face.
He's a big boy.
Oh shit.
Stay with me, bro. I got you.
This is probably like the 8th time during this trip that Calvin's just been picked up and just walked like a purse. Think this works? Oh, yep, it does. Oh, you want a little water, bud? Oh, just drink from it. Yep. It's the water of youth, Calv. Really, let me get some of that.
It's good water, Teach.
Come on, don't ruin the boots. I came back to the room because I wanted to grab something that I didn't want Mike seeing. Sometimes you just gotta sneak a monster in there. In the world of Red Bull, you gotta sneak a monster.
Don't disrespect.
Don't tell him.
The disrespect.
Don't tell him.
We're VIPs.
Yeah, don't tell him. Just don't tell him. It's okay. A bro came up to me, delivered this in secrecy yesterday, and I had to keep it a secret all this time. Calv, I can't have you spoiling my secrets.
I can't believe you, Teach.
Hey, what Mike doesn't know won't hurt him, Calv.
This is a relationship that we're building, and you're gonna just shit on it with your monster?
Oh, it's so good, bro. It's been a while. It's been too long. It's so good.
Shh, don't tell anybody. It's M for Mazda.
Dude, Mazda, baby. It's Mazda.
Mazda.
Damn! That shit's epic. That fitment's a bit whack, but damn. That's that New Zealand style, baby. Yeah, attaboy, Mike. Yeah, Kiwi style, baby! Oh my god. It's turbo too. It's a turbo sticking out the hood.
It only gets better. Only gets better.
Attaboy, Mike. Glad to see what you're all about, mate.
Holy shit, bro. That is crazy.
Hey guys, super excited to be here. I'm with Mad Mike. I'm
up?
TJ. I've gained a bunch of weight and a lot of hair. Really excited to be here on the
This is
coast.
what we call rolling open city. The city of sails.
My forehead has grown. I got a 6 head now.
It's really freaking red too.
It's super red.
Yeah.
SPF, nothing.
Impala, America, Tigra.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we go. Look at the Mitzi crew. Look at this. Look at this Mitzi crew, bro. Look, stereo.
What was that?
Lance.
Again,
Oh,
all those cars
yeah.
make TVs, so they're all Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi. Bagged out
Yep,
beans.
yep, there we go.
That's a ton.
Bag of beans.
I said bagged out bins, not a bag of pins.
Bag of beans.
Beans.
Giving it the beans.
Bag of beans.
Bag of beans.
Last year when we were here, we drove this go-kart a lot. They're super awesome to us and they let us rip it down here. So if you're ever in New Zealand and you're trying to do some go-karting, the go-kart track at Hampton Downs is a 10 out of 10. The track's actually pretty wild and has like massive elevation changes. But normal go-karting really just, it's kind of fun, but it's really not that fun. But Mikey actually just finished a super crazy 2-stroke go-kart. I don't even know how fast it is. They just finished it. It's a huge ripper. The track just closed down publicly, but wait, shit, I think this seatbelt's going up because I'm not plugged in. I wasn't buckled up on Mikey's 4-rotor. You guys gave me a lot of shit for it, but we have the track to ourselves and Mike is gonna see his new go-kart for the first time. If for anything like me, when you were a kid, go-karting was everything because it was all you were able to drive when you were younger. So needless to say, I'm pretty excited to see this thing. So what is it gonna take to see Big Jared on the cart?
Do you have a 2-person cart?
They do have 2-person carts.
Two-person cart.
You guys should be on a 2-person cart. You win
With me, buddy.
100%.
I got you.
Should be on a 2-person cart.
Two-person cart.
We're not doing a 2-person.
Go to sleep. Go to
We're
sleep.
not doing a
Go to
2-person
sleep.
cart.
You should.
Put me down.
Come on, buddy.
Put me.
Yeah, she's pretty tuned for you, man.
Yeah.
2-speed DD2.
Do you shift it? Or is it one gear?
No,
Oh, it's like a proper shifter cart.
flat shift too, so you just bang it through.
No clutch.
Really?
2-stroke. Everything has to run on 2-stroke.
Have you even driven it yet?
No.
I want to see you rip it around. Show us what she's got before we get it on tape.
Connor's our local pro.
Oh yeah?
It's like Lincoln's coach.
What PSI do you put these tires to?
14.
14. So what's the top speed on something like this? Does anybody know?
I don't know. Well, we had a radar gun on the other ones. It's over 100 Ks coming into on the small shape.
What?
Over 100 kilometers an hour into the
Breaking point here, which is like just here, they're over 100, they're about 110k.
Oh.
So just throttle down, no brakes. You're good. Cool.
Oh God, that thing is fast.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to not die?
Oh my
Oh, that sounds so good.
Dude, he's moving! Oh!
Downshift on the downhill.
I want to see this straight, dude. That's gonna be gnarly. Oh! Oh my!
Mike, TJ, you got this.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
That's some serious shit for a go-kart.
I'm no go-kart racer though. My experience is just the ones down here at Hampton Downs, little 4-stroke thing. So.
Sounds like my old KX65, dude.
Did you have a KX65?
That was my first bike. How many gears does it have?
Just have high first
Second, yeah.
Just 2 gears.
We're both driving.
2-person?
Hot rod, dog.
How does that even happen?
Oh, dude, we're both driving.
What?
We just swap off laps.
Do you guys share the same pedals?
No. He has
They're all like independent.
Show you how it's done.
Oh
you be the gas, I'd be the steering.
Mike's getting his first couple laps. Oh my God! Oh my God! I thought he was going off. I was like, oh, I just caught his death on camera. All right, as Mike comes around this corner, he literally 3-wheels it because he comes in so hot.
That's ridiculous. Woo, what a workout. I cannot drive straight at all.
Yeah, but look at the rear. Look at the left rear.
You were getting him.
You were after it. You were 3-wheeling on this corner.
Dude, it's pretty visceral.
And like, I'm just like here. Like, I just fall out, I die. I don't know. It just like looks scary as shit. So we have 2 gears. The left side is like low and the right side is high. Literally no clutch. You just shift it. So I think I'm in neutral. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. That is not good. We literally just smoked the cart. No! She just died.
This is why we can't have nice things, Cup.
That's a funny shot.
What happened?
I don't know.
That was fucking scary.
Fucking broke it, mate.
I guess. I don't know what happened.
What, you couldn't shift anymore? You couldn't...
No, I just like clogged out and then
It's a
just like...
neutral way.
Huh?
It's a neutral.
Oh, the whole, yeah, it is whole intake.
Yeah.
Oh.
The carbs come off.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that would make sense.
Grab a Phillips screwdriver from that same one you had before. Oh yeah, no, that's just exhaust. Yeah.
How was it?
I popped the whole carby up.
Like it's like not funny scary.
Yeah.
Like,
You got sketchy right
oh, dude, I came in, I put on the brakes, and like it all just went to the front, and then I went back. Oh, I don't even. Wow.
Dude, your arms coming down here, I'm like,
Dude, I'm like riding it. I'm like, God damn it.
it's fast.
It's like scary. Like
Yeah, that
it's
thing is
scary
pretty- I
fast.
couldn't even keep it in a straight line.
It's Bowser and the Princess.
Oh, we're good.
I'm so tired, dude. Oh my god. Dude, the amount of respect for like insane kart driving, so insane, dude.
You were getting it. You lapped us, mate.
I'm like getting a little, like, you get comfortable on it, but even still, it's like your vision is like totally crazy in your mind, or just like stay your dotted line. I'm just like trying to get where I'm supposed to be.
And Mike made it look easy. So did he.
No, it's hard, dude.
We head back to California tomorrow. What's crazy is we fly home Monday at 3 p.m. We fly for like 14 hours and then we time travel back in time a whole entire day and land in America at 6 a.m. on Monday. So we like go back in time. So although I'm skipping a day of filming, I think I'm still gonna be up to date with the vlogs. We'll see, I'm not entirely sure. Regardless, huge shout out to Mad Mike and his family in Hampton Towns and Mazda for everyone helping us get us out here. I don't know if Mike is gonna watch this video, but he was a great host. He is such an amazing guy, and all the stuff he did for us, all the opportunities he's given us to come out here and film was awesome, and he's such an idol of mine. So to be able to be good friends with him and spend some time with him is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy that too. Anyways, I'm gonna end this here. I'm gonna go to bed. We have a long day ahead of us. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I think I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not sure. Peace out and keep moving forward.
I'm feeling
Gotta do it for the video. Alright, Calvin, imagine I'm Emily. Hey, Calvin. Hey, oh god, I was kidding, man. I was kidding. There is no sippy action going on in this car.